It's really important for us to have kits on site. An allergy isn't necessarily visible when somebody walks into one of our buildings, and if we've got something on hand to be able to save a life, then it's essential we do that. My name is Deb Anderson and I'm an Associate Director at Knight Frank Promise. So we've partnered with Kitt Medical to roll out allergy kits across a lot of our UK buildings. We've currently got 35 across the country and we're hoping to expand over the next few months, moving kit into commercial offices, shopping centres and retail parks. So Kitt Medical is just like a defibrillator for allergies. We have kits on site that have auto-injectors of adrenaline that can help if anybody was to have anaphylaxis. My son-in-law has a severe nut allergy, so I understand the challenges that he faces every day. To carry a pen is bulky and he sometimes forgets. So to roll that out across the business, making sure that I'm protecting people like him is key. I was watching the episode of Dragon's Den when the Kitt Medical team presented their ideas, and by the time the programme finished I'd already sent an email to our HR director saying that it was absolutely a must that we had these across all of our buildings. Because allergies are far more common than people realise. There are people that we work with and tenants within our buildings that have come forward and said they feel more reassured because they have allergies and they can see how much we're protecting them in the workplace. So as we have occupational health with HCA Healthcare, it was really easy to bring the kits forward to look at the risks, look at where the placement in our buildings need to be and make sure that we included it as part of our workplace policies. The training is really straightforward to be able to do and we've encouraged everybody to get involved. We have an instant line to be able to report any use of kit. And in the event that we need to use one of our kits, we know through the subscription service that they will be replaced, and that just backs up all of the compliance systems that we have. Don't wait for an incident to happen in your workplace. If there is a business considering getting kit, absolutely do it.